Okay, first of all, we have these 3 lights that go over this bar area. And they are these. You can pause this video if you need to. Okay, and then we have these little pendant lights that go on the wall in the powder room, which is over here. Pretty simple. You just go up here. Box already there. There's no transformer or any converter. We have 2 lamps that go up here, one here. We're switching this out for another lamp. We're switching out those 2 for 2 more lamps. I'll give you a little bit more. That one goes, I think, upstairs in the hallway. These are little pendant lights that hang down from the ceiling in the master bathroom. These are actually in the bar area, I think. Those as well. I got a couple more boxes, but that's pretty much it. There might be some more sconces that come with that box. So yeah, Tom, it's easy a whole day. So there's one light that goes here, but it's not in right now. Up on that box, it's under the plate. But everything's already has boxes and plates and everything. So let me know if you have any questions or would like to watch the job. Thanks, sir. Beautiful day in Newport Beach.